Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this eyeshadow here. This is from Believe Beauty, the Dollar General exclusive makeup brand that I have been loving ever since my huge Dollar General makeup haul, and I've been trying out those products and loving Believe Beauty. Of course, I'll have my huge Dollar General makeup haul video linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products I got. But so this here is the Glimmer Pots Gel to Powder Eyeshadow. Doesn't that sound so cool? And cute packaging here. I got it in the shade Gold Flake, but this actually comes in, I think, 6 different shades that looked really beautiful on the website. I love the shades that it comes in. And it only cost $4.25. So I'm very curious to see what the texture is going to be like. Okay, like it basically just feels like a buttery eyeshadow. Like, doesn't really seem like a gel or a cream. But that is a really pretty shade. I feel like that's a great highlight shade. Lighter than how it looks in the pan. Here you can see that swatch, but it's definitely a type of shade that I like to wear a lot. So I thought this was going to be darker, so I was going to be able to do like a little crease with it, and then all over the lid to see the different tones. But since it is so light, like it's not going to be a crease shade for me, it's probably going to be a lid and a highlight shade. I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger. That's what the instructions say to do. You could also use a brush, but with highlight shades like this, I like to just use my finger. And let's go ahead and see how it is as a brow highlight. Oh, perfect brow highlight color. Let's go ahead now and see how it is as an inner corner highlight. Oh, great for that. These two spots right here, the brow and the inner corner, could just be like an everyday type of shade, type of use for this. So I could just throw this onto my makeup tray in the bathroom and use it as that daily eye highlight. I am just like a little bit disappointed that it's not any different than a regular type of eyeshadow formula, pretty much, because I was like, oh, this is going to be so different, but it doesn't even like dry down or change. I would just say it's like a straight up eyeshadow powder, a buttery one, but really no different than a regular eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over the lid, and it looks so pretty. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's more so a metallic, which this all over the lid, I love it. It's a little bit sheer, like it's not full opaque color, but since it's so bright of like a highlighty shade, it looks really pretty with this amount of pigment. I will definitely wear this as an all over the lid type of shade. I think that looks so pretty. Just add a little bit of glistening shine on the lid. Very easy. So luckily, I do really like this product, but it definitely was a bit deceiving from the color looking really different than how it looks in the pot or the pan, and just like the texture, the formula being different than what I thought it would be. But overall, I'm going to get good use out of this because it's just a very easy, wearable type of product. So if you have this, or if you've tried this before, I would love to hear what your favorite uses are. And if you've tried out any of the other colors, I'd love to hear what you think of them. Like, are those colors different than how they look in the pan? Are those ones vibrant or a little bit more sheer like this one here? But I do love the glow basically on my eyes right now. I'm checking to see if there's any creasing. And I don't know, I feel like I'm getting a little bit of creasing. It's kind of hard to see because it is a lighter shade, but because it is a little bit more of like a buttery formula, I think it is settling into my creases on my lid a bit, but that's okay. I could just use my eyeshadow primer to help with that. But that is something to keep in mind with these more creamy types of eye products, that they can definitely crease pretty badly on me. This one is not bad, but I'm very picky about creasing in my eyeshadow, and it's definitely a product that I would still want to wear an eye primer with. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.